Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond the Brew. Donovan Kelly here. Today I really wanted to talk about a certain beer style, and that is the LICHTENHAINER. LICHTENHAINER? The LICHTENHAINER. Just picked up a 4-pack of it. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Oh. Like most Thursdays, I go to Vine Arts. They carry a lot of cool beer, sometimes just in singles, but today I saw this beer. And it's called Left My Wallet in El Segundo, a LICHTENHAINER with pineapple. And I was like, LICHTENHAINER? A LICHTENHAINER? I don't think I've ever heard of that in my entire life. But a LICHTENHAINER with pineapple? I mean, I'm sure it's good. It sounds German. I imagine it's gonna be nice and light, especially with it being at 4.7%. So I got it, I went home, I grabbed a glass, I poured the beer, I drank the beer. I was like, oh my God, what the hell is going on here? Like, is that smoke? Like, there's obviously some smokiness to this, and then it's like, okay, there's a little bit of sour there, like kind of like a sour gosa kind of style, and that's kind of interesting mixed with all the smokiness. And then at the very end, all this citrus comes and just rushes right in and leaves you feeling like, what the f is this? And why haven't I had this before? Rather than just talk about it, let's get one poured out. Like let's do this right. Let's pour this beer. Smoky, sour, like what the hell is going on there? I think it is so, it is just so cool. I don't know if a bunch of citrus is supposed to be in this beer, but I think that the way Establishment Brewing made it, with that pineapple coming in at the end, makes it so delicious. Woo! Okay, I quickly researched this beer and I just wanted to figure out like where it originated from, what the flavor profile is, because this is super cool to me and I really just wanted to share it with you guys. The LICHTENHAINER was a beer that originated in northern Germany. And like a lot of other beer styles, they kind of faded away towards the end of the 19th century when the lager became the most dominant beer style. We now see these beer styles coming back. I am sure that they were never completely gone, but they're now resurfacing, and that is thanks in large part to these craft brewers. You know, we've clearly seen a resurgence, especially with things like the Gosa, which is now becoming a more and more popular style of beer that was, you know, from way back when. And now with this LICHTENHAINER, like, I'm just excited to try more. The flavor profile of the LICHTENHAINER is sour and smoky. You know, Establishment Brewing Company, you guys nailed it. Sour and smoky. It has a low bitterness and a complex flavor, still refreshing due to the subtle balance between smoke and sour. This style does not contain salt or spices. LICHTENHAINER is usually unfiltered, so some haziness is to be expected. That might be the definition of some haziness. The addition of pineapple in this beer just makes the end of each sip just so lovely, and it keeps me coming back for more. I couldn't be happier. Today is just a great day. Great day, great thirsty Thursday. I've been a craft beer drinker for the better part of 7 or 8 years. I am by no means an expert, and I don't really know a whole lot about the brewing process at this point in time. But I am super passionate about craft beer, and honestly, like stumbling upon these beers and having that flavor profile that just knocks you out of the park, man, like that's just the best. I just love it. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Consider subscribing for more beer and travel related content, and I just can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Cheers.